Welcome to our tutorial on how to view your WhatsApp number on Instagram. In this video, we will guide you through the steps to link your WhatsApp business phone number to your Instagram profile. Let's get started. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. Tap on your profile picture at the top right corner of the screen. Then, select Edit Profile from the menu options. Scroll down on the Edit Profile page until you find the Contact Options section. Tap on WhatsApp business phone number to add your number. Enter your WhatsApp business phone number in the provided field. After entering your phone number, tap on Send Code to verify the number. You will receive a verification code on your WhatsApp number. Enter the code on Instagram to confirm the link between your WhatsApp number and your Instagram profile. And that's it. You have successfully linked your WhatsApp number to your Instagram profile. Now, your followers can easily contact you through WhatsApp. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials. See you in the next video.